Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's a great pleasure for me to say something before you. And I'm not a good speaker, but I will try my best to say something regarding my topic. So today my topic is vocabs. I am going to discuss about a vocabulary. So I think everyone knows about vocabs because vocabs it's very important to improve our English skill to communication, to reading, to writing. It's very important. Whenever you go any place and you want to speak with English, you want to say anything, any kind of topic with English, then you have to know about vocabs. If you don't know the vocabs, the exact meaning of this word, the sentence you want to say about you want to express yourself. If you don't know about this meaning of this word, you can't express yourself. That's why it's a very significant for us. Vocabs it helps us to improve our understanding with another person. Whenever we go any place like abroad, if we go abroad, then we have to talk with English to another person. If we don't know the English, we can't express himself. That's why if you want to express with English, then you have to first know vocabs, because another person in front of your person, if he asks you about with English language, then you can't answer without vocabs. That's why I think it's very important. Whenever you go for writing, for your study purpose, for your communication purpose, for your IELTS purpose, any kind of purpose, first of all you have to know vocabulary. It's help you to enhance your writing skill, communication skill, and reading skill. That's why it's a very important. And I also think we have to improve our vocabs regularly. If we remember every day 10 or 20 vocabs in a day, then it will be very great helpful for us. That's why I think it's a very important for me, for you, and for all of us. Thanks for the time being. No more today, and I'll see you again. Until then, Allah Hafiz.